How to fit wooden blinds. Begin by measuring any obstructions on your window, such as handles. You will need to ensure that you fit the brackets this depth plus 10mm to avoid obstructions when the blind is in use. Mark 2 of the holes in the brackets and drill into these holes. And then screw the bracket onto the wall using a screwdriver and do the same on the other side. Next, open the front of the brackets and slide your blind into place. Then shut the brackets and click them into place. Finally, attach the front of the blind by lining up the Velcro pieces. A child safety device also needs to be fitted. Simply drill into the wall and screw the cleat into place. Your wooden blind is now ready to use.